Hey there, welcome to our channel, where we explore exciting ways to harness the power of technology for a brighter future. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to earn money using artificial intelligence. AI is transforming industries and creating new opportunities every day. Whether you're a student, a professional looking to pivot, or someone simply curious about the tech world, there's a place for you in this evolving landscape. First off, let's talk about freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are buzzing with demand for AI-related services. If you have skills in data analysis, machine learning, or even content creation, you can offer your expertise to businesses looking to leverage AI for their projects. It's a fantastic way to earn while doing something you love. Another exciting avenue is developing AI-driven applications. If you have a knack for coding, consider creating apps that solve real-world problems. From chatbots that enhance customer service to tools that streamline business processes, the possibilities are endless. Plus, with the right marketing, your app could reach a wide audience and generate significant revenue. Don't forget about online courses. If you're knowledgeable about AI, why not share your insights? Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell courses, helping others learn while you earn. It's a win-win situation. And let's not overlook the power of content creation. Whether it's blogging, vlogging, or podcasting, sharing your journey with AI can attract an audience eager to learn. As your following grows, so do your opportunities for monetization through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and more. Remember, the key to success in any of these ventures is to stay informed and adaptable. The AI landscape is constantly changing, and being open to learning will set you apart from the crowd. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found these insights helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on navigating the world of technology. Together, let's embrace the future and unlock our potential.